In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR code for PDF file in Google Drive. By the end, you'll have a scannable code that opens your PDF instantly, perfect for flyers, posters, or quick sharing without typing links. Start on the Google homepage. In the top right corner, click the grid icon to open Google Apps and choose Drive. This takes you straight to your Google Drive, where all your files live. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your files. Once Drive is open, find the PDF you want to share. Click it once to select it, then click the three dots for more actions. From that menu, choose Share. This is where you decide who can view the file when they scan your QR code. In the Share window, look for the access settings. If you want anyone with the QR code to open the PDF without signing in, change the general access to anyone with the link and set the permission to view. If your file is sensitive, you can keep it restricted and only add specific people. But remember that a public QR code works best when the link is open to view. When the access looks right, click Copy Link. Now your Google Drive link is on the clipboard and ready to turn into a QR code. Open a new browser tab and search for QR code generator. Pick a reputable generator that lets you create a QR code from a URL. Most tools will have a simple box to paste your link. Paste the Google Drive link you just copied into the URL field. The tool should recognize it and show a preview of the code. Before you download, you can customize the QR code's look. Adjust colors, add a frame or a short label, or include a small logo if the generator supports it. Keep good contrast, dark code on a light background, and leave a clear margin around the edges so scanners can read it easily. Avoid overstyling that makes the code hard to detect. When you're happy, click the option to download the QR code. Choose a format that fits your use. PNG is great for most digital and quick print needs, while SVG or PDF is ideal for sharp, high-quality printing at larger sizes. Save it somewhere you can find later, and you're done. That's the whole process. Open Drive, share your PDF to get a link, paste it into a QR generator, customize if you like, and download the code. Keep in mind that if you change the file's access or move it, the QR code may stop working, so set permissions thoughtfully. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.